Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to recover TikTok account without email. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's start it. First of all, we go to TikTok application that you have been to be installed. Click TikTok here. After that, you can click the profile and click can login. Click the account that you want to be, and you can see that there is phone number, but my phone number is not used to be anymore. You can go back and you can click the three ship in the upper of the corner. After that, you can click the report a problem. Scroll down until you find account and profile here. Click on. You can choose the topic about the login here. Click on the login. Scroll down, click the others. Click need more help and tell about your feedback. Recover my account. I can provide any account ownership proof. TikTok account. Username and you can reply me to this email. After that, you can click report, and the feedback is smile. Okay, thank you. This is a tutorial how to recover TikTok account without email, and you can to wait it from the moment because the TikTok will be sent about your feedback. This is a tutorial. Thank you for the attention. I hope this video is useful for you, and thank you.